Assalamu alaikum and welcome to program Digital Diary exclusively on Bright Star TV और मैं हूँ आपकी host Fatima Nasir. In our show we talk about entertainment news from around Pakistan and around the world. Let's move towards our top 5 trending entertainment news from Pakistan today. जब भी हमें चांस मिलता है to actually bring some positivity in this very negative and crazy world, so we always take up on that chance because we always want to encourage people to look at the positive side of things. And in this story we're going to talk about how Pakistani Sufi Muslim singer has made the list of the top 500 most influential Muslims in the world. We're talking about Abida Parveen, who's not only a Sufi singer but also a music composer and a musician as well, and she's made the list. She's also dubbed the Queen of Sufi in Pakistan, and she's actually one of the most paid in Pakistan as well. In the list we also have Atif Aslam, Malala Yousafzai and Sharmeen Obaid Chinoy. Way to go people, we love it when Muslims actually are named in the world and are known by people for something really positive and good as well. I'm out. Furqan Sheikh. Furqan Sheikh has been very popular among Pakistanis because he has been making YouTube videos since forever now. And in his videos he mainly talks about our desi culture, which is hilarious to be honest, and इसी वजह से उनकी videos हमेशा ही इतनी popular रही हैं. He's been MIA from the scene for quite a while now, and recently उन्होंने अपने Twitter account के through कुछ ऐसे सवाल पूछे हमारे आज की generation से, which actually just made us think. उन्होंने पूछा कि why do we actually use social media in general? आखिर इसका purpose क्या है? Why do we need people to be validated? Why do we feel the need to be validated? And I think he has some very interesting questions for all of us. उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि it was actually his last tweet, which is very shocking because we do want to hear from Furqan Sheikh again. So we really hope that he changes his mind on this. Why is today's world and media all about controversy? मतलब अगर media में एक चीज़ चलती है तो it's all controversy. And recently Iman Ali has been coming back into our screens, and the first thing she talked about is married life, how she's been fighting a disease for a long time now, and how she's been trying to cope as well. And obviously in the interview we got lots and lots of controversial statements which have gone viral on the internet and social media of course. जब उनसे पूछा गया कि what she thinks about Sabaa Qamar, she said she's good for TV. The anchor actually repeatedly asked her if she was a good actress, and she just kept on saying that she's good for TV. About Imran Ashraf, she said he could be a good philanthropist, and Bilawal Bhutto could be a good comedian. I mean, I do agree with that because he's really funny if nothing else. And Imran Khan could be a good professor, and maybe, I mean, I do agree with that a bit as well. Talking about her disease, she said that she does get partial numbness in her body as well. Also, she's done a TVC recently, जिस पर उन्हें बहुत criticism receive हुआ, and she wishes that people were more accepting of her disease and more understanding as well, rather than just criticizing her because she's been ill for a long time now. We wish her a really quick recovery, and we hope that she feels better soon as well. Guess who's back on our screens and is reunited? Fahad Mustafa and Mehwish Hayat, one of our favorite duos in the media industry. They're reuniting for a surprise project that none of them are ready to actually talk about. They both shared pictures on their Instagram account. Mehwish Hayat shared a picture from the sets, captioning it, saying that they were working on a surprise project. And she also mentioned Fahad Mustafa's lockdown hair and like lockdown ponytail, that he's actually grown out. And I think ये बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ सीन है कि जहाँ पे they've not been able to get a haircut for a very long time. Fahad Mustafa ने भी from the surprise set of the surprise project that we're gonna get from them, he also shared a picture where they were just goofing around on sets, and he actually mentioned saying that they were both monkeys. I mean, they're monkeys or not, they're just adorable, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us with this new surprise project. Balochistan has been one of those provinces in Pakistan which have kind of been left behind in terms of development, in terms of advancing as a civilization, as a society as well. but do not misunderstand this as their failure, because they will rise and they can rise again. बलूचिस्तान में रिसेंटली एक इनिशिएटिव के तहत अबैंडन बिल्डिंग्स को कन्वर्ट किया जा रहा है इनटू रीडिंग रूम्स, यानी कि रीडिंग रूम्स एज इन लाइब्रेरीज वे पीपल कैन एक्चुअली जस्ट गो एंड रीड. ये सारा जो इनिशिएटिव है, देव एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड दिस इन ऑर्डर टू मेक श्योर कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग रीडिंग हैबिट्स को डेवलप कर सकें. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ एन इनिशिएटिव जो कि ना सिर्फ बलूचिस्तान में बल्कि पूरे पाकिस्तान में आम होना चाहिए, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग रीड कर सकें, बुक्स पढ़ सकें, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो नॉलेज that you cannot get from books as well. And matlab, by watching stuff or reading on social media is not the same thing as actually reading a book. Paulo Coelho, who is a very, very popular Brazilian writer, has also posted on his Twitter account requesting fans and followers in order to donate books to Balochistan to help this initiative, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा बलूचिस्तान के स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से शुरू किया गया था, in addition to being involved with a committee as well, जो कि स्टूडेंट्स के लिए लाइब्रेरीज क्रिएट करना चाह रही हैं. And in addition to this, a lot of people should donate to Balochistan and help out as much as possible. जो बुक्स हमारे घरों में कोनों में पड़ी रहती हैं, if you have any of them, you should also try and also donate them to Balochistan to also take part in this very, very amazing initiative. तो ये थी हमारी आज की टॉप 5 ट्रेंडिंग न्यूज़, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको भी हमारे साथ वक्त गुजार के उतना ही अच्छा लगा होगा जितना हमें लगता है आपके साथ वक्त गुजार के. एंड विल मीट यू नेक्स्ट टाइम विद द नेक्स्ट टॉप 5 ट्रेंडिंग न्यूज़ फ्रॉम द मीडिया इंडस्ट्री इन पाकिस्तान. तब तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें और हम लोगों के पेज को फॉलो ज़रूर कीजिएगा. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड प्लीज़ लेट अस नो व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट द शो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो, एंड विल मीट यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. अल्लाह हाफिज़.